Hey y'all, what's up? I'm back once again. But yeah, today I'll be filming my edge tutorial for you. Just put a little gloss on the lip real quick. Looks a little chow, you feel me? But yeah, let's get into this video. Even though my edges are sort of kind of laid already, I can just relay on real quick, boo. It ain't nothing to do that. So let's get into this video. Wait, yeah, get a little closer. Y'all see the swirls? I can redo them. I'm really, I'm loving these extensions though. It looked like one of them fell out, but I don't even care. It looks more natural, you feel me? But yeah. Oh, I forgot to show y'all the products I'm using. Brush, the little edge brush. Style gel. So yeah, little life updates. Nothing too much really going on, you know. Same old, same old. I know I just came back and posted a video and expected y'all to just, you know, come back to me. I know I gotta win y'all back, but yeah. I should have put my phone on do not disturb, people just texting me and stuff. But yeah, this is how I lay my edges. Nothing too serious, just a little swoop. Little swoop and hold. Swoop and hold. I don't really like for my edges to stick to my forehead like that, because I feel like it enhances my forehead, if that makes sense. Especially with my edges being a blonde now. I can re-swoop this a different way because I don't like how it was swooped that way. I'm looking at the mirror behind y'all. It's a mirror behind the camera. Ooh, it do not want to play with me today. I guess because I've been swooped like that all day. It's just used to that way, I guess. But yeah. Shoot. Let me see. I'm trying to look in the camera and do my edges, but boy, this is so complicated. The birds are so loud. Yeah. Just a little swoopity swoop. And we done, fam.